I really like the Welcome Center. It's nice to just have a space where it feels clean and updated.
When I first started here, the pool was terrible. I really struggled with the lack of ventilation. We used to put a fan by the door, open the door to the outside that we would prop open with a brick. And now, I mean, it's one of the most gorgeous facilities in Madison.
I'm the type of person when things are clean, I can focus better, I can be organized, I can do more work, I can, stay on track. It just feels a lot more brand new and refreshing to be in.
So my freshman year, the space was very small. You could only have one team in there. It was really, really hard to get a good workout in. Since the renovations, we have a gorgeous, really big new space. So many teams are just excited to be in this space, and that is miles ahead of what the old space was.
I think it shows that people care about the education that kids receive, and it's just great that people want their money to go towards renovating West.
It feels like the community has understood that our education comes first, and they are willing to support us, and they want us to succeed. To have that in a community that surrounds a school, and to have people that are donating and spending their time helping us, it's unimaginable.
Thank you for investing in me.
Thank you for investing in me.
Thank you for investing in me.